Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift Extended Reach Lift, shown for use with a surface-mounted dock mount to get a user from the wheelchair and down into the left front of a boat or into the right rear of the boat or the port side, and then back down there toward the transom. So this is a detailed video, so it's not meant to be, there's lots more videos down in the notes field that'll give you a better idea of what the product is and how it works. Our first step, of course, is going to be to connect the sling. And the sling's already been placed, but there is a video that we have put down below that'll show you how to place the sling, and it's pretty simple. You'll notice that the arms go outside of the sling. And because we have a boat lift here, we're navigating around the boat lift, which is no problem. So there are all these different extensions here that help us to articulate. Next, I'm going to step into the boat. Step down onto the deck of the boat. And Lenora is going to come with me. And we're down into the passenger front seat. Next, we're going to pick Lenora up, bring her in, and put her in to one of the rear bench seats here near the sun deck. Options are good, right?
And it's very comfortable. I'm comfortable. Chilling.
So you can notice that we've got a lot of three-dimensional mobility here. We can move right, left, center, all over the place. So we get to the appropriate position, get the legs nice and comfy, and down we go. Similar if we wanted to go into the mid position, lift, relocate, and next thing you know, Daniel wants to come along for the trip. What do you think, Daniel? He wants to know if he's coming.
He doesn't like to get yet. He doesn't like to get on.
Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in the boat that you want, in the vehicle that you want, the RV, your car, lift your wheelchair, get in and out of bed with one product that solves the problem of getting you into and out of whatever it is that you want to travel in. If you'd like to learn more about our company, please check us out at www.accessunlimited.com. Our Facebook is facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube at youtube.com/accessun, Instagram at Access Unlimited, all one word. And you can give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822 Eastern Standard Time in the United States. That's country code 1. And evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. And that's basically anytime, evenings and weekends, Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. Thank you so much for watching our video on the multi-lift to get into and out of your boat. Please remember to check out those videos in the notes field down below. That'll give you lots more information. Have a great day.